Good morning everyone. Good morning to you. Good morning for all the viewers who is watching this tutorial of mine is the basic kind of tutorial about installer. If you want to have an installer, you need to of course to prepare a flash drive or a CD-ROM so that you can have a flash installer, and you need to prepare also where you can get the installer. Example, if you want an installer of Adobe Photoshop CS6 and you need to edit something about like you are in a graphic design, you need an editor. So example, Adobe Photoshop CS6, you need it. So if you don't know how to install, or you don't know how where to get that, you're gonna pay or you're gonna buy the software. But if you know how to get or where to get the installer, it is easy for you to install it, or it is easy for you to find it, and it is easy to you to install to your laptop without paying or without buying the software that you needed. So this is the software in my flash drive. I have also fonts. I have a few installer that I need every day. So I just save it to my flash drive, which is about 16 gig. So it's not that kind of very big. So this is Office 2007, and I have the serial key. So I don't. The next video you will see how can I install uh, Microsoft Office 2010 with a serial key. So sorry for the poor video quality. Next time when I'm taking a video, I will make sure it will be clear so that you will see it very clearly. Okay, so this is the Rufus. The purpose of the Rufus is that when you want a bootable flash drive and you want to install it to your, of course you need to have an uh, ISO of the operating system. Like Windows 10, you need to download ISO of the Windows 10. Then you're gonna transfer it, or you're gonna put it to the flash drive that you have. So you need to prepare 16 gig flash drive so you can have a bootable uh, operating system. Then you're gonna need to use the Rufus for easier way, because Rufus is for me is the best, because when I already have a two bootable flash drive, the Windows 10, and this is this software I use Rufus. Sorry for the for the English I use, because I'm not that very kind of no, I'm not very good speaking English, but I want to speak in English because it's more formal for me than speaking Tagalog. So I know I am trying hard to speak or to explain it into English. If you have a comment with that, I don't care about that. For me, the important is this, the basic of uh, the install the basic um, learning about installer. So I have the Google SketchUp. Google SketchUp is for building a house or planning a house design. You can design a house there, a building, or whatever you wanna build in there in the Google SketchUp. It can help you to get a design. And I have also YouTube downloader, the old version of YouTube downloader, but now you can use YouTube to MP3. Just search to Google Chrome. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and I hope you like and subscribe. Have a nice day.
Okay, so we are now here to the Wondershare, and this is about introducing my installer. So in the next video, I will show you where to get the installer and how to get installer with crack or serial key, so you don't need to pay or um, buy serial or license to your software. Okay, so I have also YouTube downloader, which is the old, very old version of YouTube downloader. So now you can just convert. The YouTube downloader is the converting. It's about converting formats. So that's all. Have a good day.